Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Brigitte and today I will give you ideas to use your seal wax and seal stamp. This video is part of a series of videos where I use my seals and other objects to print images on wax. I use here a pearl gold powder, no toxic, which will give my color a pearl effect. I had here an orange food coloring. The wax mixture I use is a part of wax pencil for a part and a half of hot glue. If you want to know how to make your own wax seal stamp, I will put you the link at the end of this video. Here the same wax recipe but in blue. Here I take a jewel as a stamp. You can use any metal object that has relief. For the color, I use light red acrylic color to which I add glittering powder that you can buy in craft store. We don't see it well on camera, but my red is glittering. Here the same wax recipe, but in black. If you want to know how to make your own wax seal stamp, I will put you the link at the end of this video. If you like this video, click like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next video. Thank you.